Okay, moving on. Question 2. Identify the missing information in the table below. So we need to find the group and period of gallium and the element with the atomic symbol As. So gallium is pretty easy. If you look at the periodic table, anything after the second group is these are technically just transition metals, and you'll see the group numbers go to like 13, 14, 15. In terms of IBMYP, if you want to find these group numbers, just subtract 10 from them. So 13 minus 10 is 3, which is correct. They've already given us that information. The period is the horizontal rows. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would write 4 in the period. And we see that arsenic is in group number 15. So just subtract 10 and we get group number 5. Outline why solar power is considered better for the environment than fossil fuels. Okay. The one obvious answer that they're going to be expecting is that minimal carbon emissions as compared to fossil fuels. And for the second mark, you can write any point that would make sense, which is reasonable. For example, solar energy is renewable. Let me just make a separate column for that. Yeah, solar energy is renewable. Basically, solar panel availability is better than coals in some regions. Fossil fuels are finite, which is just a repetition of this point. Right? This point and any of these to get the 2 marks. So, methane is one of the main gases used throughout the world for heating and cooking. Select the Lewis structure, also known as dot diagram, dot cross diagram for methane. So, methane is structure looks like this, and in a Lewis dot structure, Lewis dot diagram, sorry, a single bond looks like this between two atoms. So, the answer can't be B because there is no bond between these two. Answer can't be C because there is no bond between this. And answer can't be D because an electron is free here. So it doesn't complete the octet for C. So the answer is A. Explain why methane and silicon have similar formulas. So in the table you would see that carbon and silicon are in the same group, group number 4. So this is a 3 marker. To frame your question, do it like this. The first one would obviously be for writing that carbon and silicon share the same amount of valence electrons, same group. The second point would be that electrons pair up or share electrons to form 4 covalent bonds. You would net all 3 marks, one for this, one for the electrons pairing up, and one for the 4 covalent bonds.